Hi everybody, welcome to another day of Vlogmas. Today I'm going to be talking about my Christmas wish list. So this isn't something that I'm going to show my friends or my family and be like, hey, get me something off of this. Usually they just get me whatever they want. I think like the older you get, the less of a big deal Christmas is. But this year I'm trying to get into that holiday spirit. So I'm going to talk about some things that I've been wanting but I haven't purchased because I'm on a budget. I'm trying to be responsible and so on and so forth. So I'm just gonna pull up stuff on my phone and then we're gonna check it out. So something I've really been wanting, which is so random, is from Blogalotties. She's a YouTuber here, like a fitness YouTuber, and she came out with like this really cute like fitness journal planner. So it's a planner and there's a bundle pack that comes with a calendar and with the yoga mat. It wasn't included in her Black Friday sale, unfortunately, otherwise I'm pretty sure I would have purchased it. It's really cute on the outside. Like the packaging is getting to me. I really should just resist because I have a lot of planners. I don't often use them. I have one that I've kind of been consistent in using them, but for the most part I don't need it. And yoga mat, I don't go to yoga, even though I kind of want to start. I've been doing like at home things, but it would be nice to have a cute yoga mat to take outside. Do you see my shopaholic ways, just like trying to find a loophole as to why I should get it. Another thing that I've been obsessed about, and my fiance has not stopped hearing me rant about it, is there's this Etsy shop. It's an Instagram called Berber or something like that. I'll put it right here. They have an Etsy shop that just has a lot of bird merch. I really love birds. I love bird memes. I want to create an ornithology. I am obsessed with like cockatiels, lovebirds, sun conures are my favorite birds ever. Well, really flamingos, but sun conures are my favorite bird that I want to own one day. They have like Quaker parrots, monk parakeets, whatever. And they have a lot of stuff. They have like sweaters and cute leggings. And I did order some stuff from them already. You're going to see it later on in like a little Etsy shop review that I'm going to be doing. They have really cute keychains, tote bags. I love everything about this website. They have a really cute calendar that I want. It comes with cute bird stickers. It's a 2020 calendar and I really want it. And they have skirts and they'll like do it with like your size, which is important for me because a lot of times I'll buy skirts like in stores and they don't fit right. I either like do it too small or I do it too large and it's too big. It's just I can never get the size right. But these skirts look really cute and I really want it, and everything on that website is perfect. So if you're into birds like me, that's the place to be because it is amazing. Another thing I really want is holiday Pusheen gift cards and stuff, like holiday cards to send out in the mail for my friends. I get them from the Pusheen shop, which used to be called Hey Chicory. I've done a haul for them before. I hate their prices. Like I think they're overpriced. They like price things because they know people are gonna buy it, and the only time I've seen that backfire on them was last year's ornament. Every year they come out with a different ornament, and last year's was significantly smaller, cheaper. It didn't have the date, like it wasn't as good quality as the year before that, and it was still at like $50. And I remember there was like a lot of unhappy customers, and that ornament never ended up selling out. So I have like a love and hate relationship with this website, but a lot of their stuff is really cute. Some of them are exclusive to this website. Like sometimes with Pusheen things you can get some stuff at like Hot Topic or Box Gift Lunch, whatever it's called, but with this it's sometimes like exclusive to their website, unfortunately. Otherwise I would just get it somewhere else. There's a cute holiday sweater. It's like a unisex sweater. I have their last year's one, which again was super nice quality, but this one just looks really thin. Honestly, it doesn't have that same fit, but I really want it. It's super cute. I want some slippers because my other slippers like got all damaged. I also want some stuff from Rifle Paper Co., which is like this website with like stationery lifestyle stuff, and they have a really cute like Christmas cards that I want, like a couple different packs, and they have really cute gift bags. I know I shouldn't. They have really cute dishes. I love everything. Like I am a true shopaholic and like window shopper, so all these things are just calling. There's a dog barking outside. I wasn't even sure what that was. Those are some things I really want. I want the Lunar Chronicle box set, or like whether it's physical or Kindle form. I really want that. I've read the books before, but I really want to reread them. That's like the one, that's like the most recent YA book I read that I actually liked, and that's an old series, so that's saying something. I've kind of moved on to adult fiction, but I would love like a gift card to Barnes & Noble or Amazon. Probably Amazon because of my Kindle. But I love reading and I just haven't been able to, and I think a lot of that is because it's not as accessible. I can't always carry a book with me, and if I had it on my Kindle or my Kindle app on my phone, it wouldn't be that much of an issue. But as for makeup, I don't really think there's anything I really want. Maybe a new moisturizer, but I already purchased one. Okay, you know what I want for makeup? I'm not gonna get this because I shouldn't get this because I made a big Sephora order, but they have a First Aid Beauty like holiday set, and it's like discounted pretty well. It used to be $70, now it's like $49, and it's like a treasure chest. So It's really cute, and it has like at least 2 full-size items and like a whole bunch of other stuff. I kind of like First Aid Beauty, and I'm kind of delving into it a little bit more. I'm wearing their avocado concealer and I really like it, and I like their face products. I use some of their stuff from their red clay line, but now I want to use some of their just normal stuff, but I shouldn't buy it, right? I shouldn't. I want a beauty blender set too. There's like a beauty blender thing and it comes with a bunch, and you get like, it's like a good value pack. There's some really cute Build-A-Bear stuff. Okay, I like stuffed animals. I'm not gonna lie. It is what it is. There are some really cute stuffed animals at Build-A-Bear. They have like a Snoopy collection. They have some really cute Pokemon ones. The problem with Build-A-Bear is they have sales often, but those are not included with it. Pokemon stuff doesn't go on sale often. Disney stuff, well, Disney stuff does, but there's just certain things that aren't included, and it makes me sad. They used to have like a Winnie the Pooh stuffed animal. I don't think that's even available anymore. It was like limited edition. It came back, and now I think it might have sold out again. But I really like stuffed animals. I think they're really cute and fun. Alright, so if you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you've missed yesterday's Vlogmas, I'll have it linked right here and down below as well. And I will see you guys tomorrow with another video. Bye.